In this video, I'll show you some really easy to make toys that I love even more than similar shop bought ones. The first one is this car mat. When my kids were younger, I wanted to buy them a carpet with roads on, and although there are many different types on the market, I couldn't find one that I liked. So I decided to make one. There are a few things that make this one different to the ones that are on the market. It was very important to me that the roads would meet at 90-degree angles. This was important to me because it teaches children left from right with very definite turns. It was also really important to me that there shouldn't already be houses or people or cars or any other type of pictures on the carpet, so that my kids could use their own imaginations. They can use it for multiple purposes. So they can use it with their cars or plastic animals, or to make a zoo or a farm. Or with Duplo or Lego to make towns. The possibilities are endless because it doesn't have pictures on to prescribe their play. I made this Barbie doll house for my children. I couldn't believe how big it needed to be. When I think of Barbie dolls, I used to think that they are small dolls. But in reality, they are really very tall and need a really big house. Just at the time that I was looking for a doll's house, we were also renovating our kitchen, and I realized that our old kitchen cupboards were perfect for a Barbie house. I had a choice between this cupboard and a corner cupboard, and I'm so glad that I chose this one because two children can play comfortably side by side. I made these material hand function books for each of my children for when they turned 1 year old. They have given them hours of pleasure, and each one has really improved their hand function by playing with them. I have done a whole video on these hand function books, so if you'd like to see them in more detail, you're welcome to click the link above. The last homemade toy I want to show you is Play-Doh. It is super easy to make, and I'll leave a recipe that I usually use in the description. I've also made laminated sheets for my children for ideas to make with the Play-Doh and for educational activities. Play-Doh is such a simple toy that has been used for decades, yet my children still love playing with it, and it's great to develop hand function as well as visual motor integration.